Good morning, children. In the last class, all of you open your volume 1 course book page number 37. Volume 1 course book page number 37. In the last class, we have seen the 29 states and their capitals and the official language. Today we are going to see the union territories, 7 union territories and their capitals and their official language. Okay, see, coming to the union territories, there are 7 union territories: Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Puducherry. These are the 7 union territories: Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Puducherry. Andaman and Nicobar capital is Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh capital is Chandigarh only. Okay. Dadra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Dadra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Diu and Daman capital is Daman. Okay. And Lakshadweep capital is Kavatti. Lakshadweep capital is Kavatti. Delhi capital is New Delhi. Puducherry capital is Pondicherry. Andaman and Nicobar capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Diu and Daman capital is Daman. Lakshadweep capital is Kavatti. Delhi capital is New Delhi. Puducherry capital is Pondicherry. What are the official or major languages in the territories? We can see now. Andaman and Nicobar. In Andaman and Nicobar, official language is Bengali. Chandigarh, official language is Punjabi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is Gujarati. Diu and Daman also Gujarati. Lakshadweep is Malayalam. In the Lakshadweep, Malayalam is the official language. Delhi, Hindi. Puducherry, Tamil. Andaman and Nicobar, Bengali. Chandigarh, Punjabi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Gujarati. Diu and Daman also Gujarati only. In the Lakshadweep, Malayalam. Delhi, Hindi. And in the Puducherry, Tamil. Okay, these are our 7 union territories and their capitals and their official language. Andaman and Nicobar, its capital is Port Blair and major language is Bengali. Okay, next Chandigarh, capital also Chandigarh only and major language there is Punjabi. Dadra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa and major language is Gujarati. Diu and Daman capital is Daman and its official language is Gujarati. Lakshadweep, Kavatti, capital is Kavatti and official language is Malayalam. Delhi, capital is New Delhi, official language is Hindi. Puducherry, capital is Pondicherry, official language is Tamil. Okay, now turn the page. Our country is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south and Himalayas in the north. Okay, this is our India. To the India, in the east there is Bay of Bengal and in the west Arabian Sea and in the south Indian Ocean and in the north Himalayan ranges. Okay. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Already in the 4th class you learned what is island. Lands are completely surrounded by water on all sides. If a land surrounded by water on all sides, it is said to be an island. Okay. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in this Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Okay. Island means land completely surrounded by water. In the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located and in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands were located. Our neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Okay, these are our neighboring countries over India. What are the neighboring countries? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Okay, the Gulf of Mannar, a large shallow bay, is between the southeastern tip of India and the west coast of Sri Lanka. See, this is the Gulf. Okay, Gulf Mannar. It is between the southeastern tip of India. India ki southeast lo undanta, and the west coast of the Sri Lanka. To the Sri Lanka, it was the west Gulf Mannar. Okay, Gulf Mannar. It is a shallow bay. It is in between the Sri Lanka and India, southeast of the India, and the west coast of the Sri Lanka. The Pak Straits lies between the southern end of India and Sri Lanka. Okay, this Pak Strait means is a narrow passes of water that connects the two water bodies. Okay, it is in between the southern end of India. India ki south end lo undanta and Sri Lanka. Okay, it connects the Bay of Bengal with the Pak Bay and with the Gulf of Mannar. This Pak Strait is connecting the Bay of Bengal with the Pak Bay and the Gulf Mannar. Okay, the Pak Strait lies between the south end of the India and Sri Lanka. It connects the Bay of Bengal with the Pak Bay and the Gulf Mannar. India is the 7th largest country and the second most populated country. Okay, it is the 7th. Our country is 7th largest and second most populated country. It is located in the, our India is located in the southern part of Asia. Asia continent lo south side మన ఇండియా అనేది located ఉందంట. Okay, it is located in the southern part of Asia. Asia is the continent. Okay, what we learned in this page, our country India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean is in the south and Himalayan ranges in the north. In the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands were located, and in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands were located. What are our neighboring countries? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Okay, this is the Gulf Mannar. It is in between the southeast of India and the west coast of the Sri Lanka. Okay, this is the Pak Strait. Strait means it connects the two large water bodies. Okay, this Pak Strait is connecting Bay of Bengal with the Pak Bay and the Gulf Mannar. Okay, our India is the 7th largest country and the second most populated country. It is in the south part of the continent Asia. Now come to the next page. What is the continent? Continent is the huge stretch of landmass that rises above the level of water body around it. Continent means it is the land. Okay, huge stretch of land that rises above the water body around it. Water body level kante kuda paiki rise ayi unna, okay, ఎత్తుగా ఉన్న ల్యాండ్ నే కాంటినెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటారు. హ్యూజ్ ల్యాండ్ అంటే పెద్ద ల్యాండ్ నే కాంటినెంట్ అంటారు. ఓకే, కాంటినెంట్ ఈస్ ది హ్యూజ్ స్ట్రెచ్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాండ్ మాస్ దట్ రైజెస్ అబౌవ్ ది లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ బాడీ అరౌండ్ ఇట్. చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాటర్ బాడీ లెవెల్ కంటే కూడా రైజ్ అయి ఉన్న హ్యూజ్ ల్యాండ్ మాస్నే కాంటినెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటారు. దెర్ ఆర్ 7 కాంటినెంట్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ దట్? ఏషియా, యూరోప్, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are our 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. There are 7 continents which together cover 1/4 area of the earth. Okay, earth మీద 1/4 ఏరియాని ఈ 7 కాంటినెంట్స్ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తున్నాయంట. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. It is believed that all these continents were once a single landmass called Pangaea, which broke up later. They believed that once these are all continents are a single landmass. Okay, they believed like that. That is called they named it as the Pangaea. Pangaea. Okay, it was their belief. They thought that they believed that these are all continents are in a single landmass. They called it as a Pangaea. Okay, and they also believed that they broke it later as countries and all. Okay, continent means continent is a huge stretch of landmass that rises above the water body around it. Okay, there are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, they covered the 1/4 area on the earth. These 7 continents, they covered the 1/4 area on the earth. They believed that these are all continents as a single landmass. They called it as that single landmass. They called it as Pangaea. Later they thought that they would break up like this, like as countries and all. Okay, now in the continents come to the Asia. Okay, it is the largest continent on all the continents. Asia is the largest continent and it is the most populated continent. In the population, its place is first place. It is the largest continent and is the most populated. Asia borders are Africa and Europe to the west and Pacific Ocean to the east. To the Asia, in the west there are Europe and Africa, and in the east Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is the largest and most populated continent in the world. వరల్డ్లోనే ఇది ఏషియా అనేది లార్జెస్ట్ కాంటినెంట్ అండ్ పాపులేషన్లో కూడా ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ అనమాట. మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్, ద హైయెస్ట్ మౌంటైన్ ఆన్ ది ఎర్త్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కాంటినెంట్. మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్ it is the highest mountain on the earth. It is in the continent Asia only. Asia was the birthplace of most of the religions of the world. వరల్డ్లోనే ఉన్న రిలీజియన్స్ అన్నిటిలో కూడా ఏషియాలోనే ఎక్కువ రిలీజియన్స్ ఉన్నాయంట. ఓకే, ఏషియా. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ది లార్జెస్ట్ కాంటినెంట్ and the most populated continent. To the Asia, in the west Europe and Africa were located, and in the east Pacific Ocean was there. Okay, Mount Everest, it is the highest mountain range in the world. It is located in the continent Asia. In Asia only most of the religions are there in the world. Okay, now come to the Europe. Next continent is Europe. Europe, it is the sixth largest continent and it is the richest continent. See, it is the sixth largest and third most populated continent. Okay, it is the sixth largest. First place is Asia and Europe's place is sixth. Okay, and in the population first place is Asia. For the Europe it is the third place. Okay, Europe, it is the sixth largest continent and third populated country, third most populated country. It is bordered by Mediterranean Sea to the south, Asia to the west and Atlantic Ocean to the Asia to the east and Atlantic Ocean to the west. Europe की west లో వచ్చి Atlantic Ocean, east లో వచ్చి Asia and Mediterranean Sea to the south. These are the borders of Europe. Europe is the only continent on the earth without any deserts. There is no deserts in this continent, Europe. Okay, it is the richest continent. Europe is the richest continent. Europe, okay, it is the sixth largest continent and the third most populated. In the population, its place is third. Okay, and its borders are, Europe borders are Mediterranean Sea in the south, in the east Asia and in the west Atlantic Ocean. There is no deserts in this continent and it is the richest continent. Okay, enough for today. Thank you. Homework is read about continents and Asia and Europe. Okay, homework is read about continent. From your course book only, read about continent definition and about these two continents, Asia and Europe. Okay, thank you.